Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Games, and I just completed this particular workout. What this is week 2, day 1. This is the follow-up to the Delts and Traps workout. The way it is as you see, and in the previous video you saw that I like to actually write down my workout, and then the following week when I do the same workout, what I like to do is keep the first 2 sets the same weight, same reps, and then I try to close the gap between my first working set and my final weight. So in this case I went from 315 to 330 and I kept the 5 reps on both, and from 570 for 5 went to 580 for 5. In case you want to see something interesting, you should see that set right there in particular. It was an interesting situation that took place, but everything worked out alright. But anyway, this one here was also pretty interesting. Feel free to fast forward if you want to see those 2 sets in particular. They were something a little different. But anyway, let's get to it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here we go. Let's start the workout. On your grave, show that I still care. I can't bring back what's taken from me. I reach to the sky and call out your name. Oh, please let me dream. I was, and it feels like heaven's so far away.
Selling your home the traditional way can be a long process. You have to set the price, second guess the price, prep the house, paint the house. I am just a man, a superhuman. I'll be there right by your side.
refuse to let it show. I refuse to let it go. Tossed off a cliff, then this rejected kid just got resurrected. Take notes, hold my legend. Because at the same time, it's in my touches, twice as big as mine. That's stopping me, forgetting historical prophecies and now challenging me. Democracy. Gotta creep and stopping corruption is my philosophy. Got to be smart, safe.
stay tuned for the next video, which will be biceps, triceps, week 2, day 2. See if I can increase all the weights and or repetitions again. Let's see what happens. I'll have the links in the description below, that way you can get your pre-workout, post-workout, and protein powder. Like I said, I highly recommend all 3 of these, and once I complete these, I'll see if I'll go ahead and change over to something else and go from there. But as of right now, I really like all 3 of these. So, till the next video, thank you again.